In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Expensify account. We'll walk through the process step by step on the web version of Expensify, so make sure you're logged into your account in a browser before you begin. It's also a good idea to download or export any reports or receipts you might need in the future, because closing your account may make it harder to access that information later. Once you're signed in, look toward the side or top of the screen for the area where your personal settings live. This is usually labeled as Account. Go ahead and click on Account. This is where Expensify keeps all of your personal preferences and profile tools, including the option to manage security and ultimately close your account. Inside the account section, you'll see different categories of settings. Find the one labeled Security and click on Security. This page is designed for anything related to the safety and control of your profile, such as passwords, login methods, and in this case, account closure. On the security page, scroll until you see an option that says Close Account. It might appear as a button or a link, usually grouped with other security-related actions. Click on Close Account. At this point, Expensify wants to be sure you really intend to do this, so it will take you to a dedicated page to confirm your choice. You'll now be on the Close Account page, where you need to fill in a few details. Carefully read any notes or warnings on this screen so you understand what will happen when the account is closed, such as the impact on any active reports, company policies, or connected cards. There may be a field asking for a reason why you're closing your account, along with any additional comments. Fill in these fields honestly and clearly. If there is a confirmation box or checkbox indicating that you understand the consequences of closing your account, make sure to tick that as well. Once all required details are completed and you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, look for the final Close Account button on this page. Click on Close Account to